class of 2015, I would like to thank you for joining us. The class of 2015 at the Gordon Heights 1 Elementary School at our graduation ceremony. Our parents, teachers, friends, and family have played a huge role by guiding us every step of the way and taught us the importance of having patience as we take our first steps into the big, bad world of consumerism and corporate labor. Nais ko pong pasalamatan ang ating poong may kapal na siya nagkaloob ng ating angking talino at lakas. Sa aking mga magulang, kay Papa na siyang aming naging sandigan at aking idolo sa kasipagan sa paghahanap buhay. Na hindi alintana ang pagod at hirap. May bigay lamang sa aming magkakapatid ang magandang buhay. Kay Mama na walang sawang sumusuporta at patuloy na nagpapaalala, ako minsan paulit-ulit na bukang bibig ang mga katagang mag-aral kang mabuti anak. Sa aking mga kapatid na cute, malambing at makukulit, sila ang naging inspirasyon ko kung bakit nais kong maabot ang aking mga binibithi. Aking mga kaklase na bagamat meron kaming hindi pagkakasunduan, kung minsan nagkakaisa naman kami sa aming adikain. Ni isa nga nga rin na balang araw kami ay magkatagumpay. Salamat sa naging boss ko sa classroom na sina Clifford Pusing, Benson at Ralph na nakasama ko sa tagisan ng galing sa asignaturang matematika. Sa ating minamahal na punong guro, Sir Fernando L. de Guzman. Sa aking mga naging guro at tagapayo, nung ako'y tumuntong sa paralang ito. Sina Madam Josefina Mendoza, Madam Imelda Octales, Madam Bernice Detal, at Madam Filomena Pascual. Ang academic teachers ko na sina Madam Francisco, Madam Lising, Madam Castillo, Madam Tombaga, Madam Bento, Madam Ocampo, Madam Tiado, Madam Pelaez, Madam David, Madam Villamor, Sir Michael Marcal, Sir Narbasa, Sir Tagulaw, at Sir Eglarinal. Sa napakausay kong mentor din sa math, si Sir Mang Ligmot. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Today, I feel purity and a feeling of being unsure. In equal measure, as I stand before you, pretty much the same emotion I felt when I first transferred here 4 years ago. If my classmates remember, and I'm sure they do, there was not anything much I had to do to stand out like a sore thumb. After all, I joined school in the middle of the academic year, but I went out of my way to display my individuality. I do not know if then I would have been as accepting of someone like me. As my classmates were, they made life so simple for me. I never felt the pang of having to adapt to a new school. Of course, the tension from Mrs. Pascual helped. Spending time cleaning room is a great way to make friends. Try it out sometime. But jokes apart, today, I did this place a much more confident person. Compared to who I was, and in some way or the other, it can be traced back to my first few days at Gordon Heights 1 Elementary School. Before I leave this stage, meron po akong nabasang quotes para sa mga mag-aaral. As you tread the path of life, remember the lines from everybody's dream. Maaaring narinig ka natin sa mga pangaral ng ating guro. Don't waste your time on jealousy. Sometimes you're ahead, sometimes you're behind. The race is long, and in the end, it's only with yourself. To our school division superintendent, Sir Jesse D. Ferrer, Teso 6, Assistant School Division Superintendent, Dr. Sol L. Garriaga, Education Program Supervisor for LRMDS, Dr. Jose Sitala, District 5 Supervisor, Madam Mesusi Mapi Pakal, our distinguished guest speaker, Ms. Jincy Zacarias, to our beloved school principal, Sir Fernando L. De Guzman, members of the faculty, dear parents, DTA officers, led by Mr. Rolito Sabulao, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a good and brighter afternoon to all of you. In behalf of our school, Gordon Knights 1 Elementary School, I welcome you all in the 46th commencement exercises of class 2015. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay.